In this video, I'm downloading and installing a new text editor. I went with Visual Studio Code, which is compatible with Linux. I'll give you the steps on how to set it up. So, Visual Studio Code isn't a full IDE or integrated development environment because it's lacking some of the features of the full environment, which is mainly used for the .NET language. But I think it should be enough for now, at least until further notice. I'm not sure what language I'll tackle first, but it won't be .NET. So first, we're going to make sure our system is up to date by entering the command sudo apt get update end upgrade. Then you can run the command sudo snap install -- classic code. Snap is a package that will run VS Code and other programs for us with simple commands. When we're finished installing, we can open VS Code just by typing in the terminal command line code.
Okay, next thing I want to show you guys is some commands in the terminal. First we have the tilde key, which shows us our home directory. We also have ls, which lists the files and directories within our present working directory. We can see our present working directory with pwd. Okay, and we can change what directory we're in with cd, so we can go cd music, for instance. Okay, we can also go cd dot to go back again. So now we're back where we were, or let's go back so I can show you another way to do that. We can go cd tilde to go back to our home directory. Another thing I want to show you is how to create new files. So you can go touch, and then the file name, we'll call it test.txt. We'll see if it's there. Yep, there it is. Okay, and let's create a directory. So we'll go mkdir test. Okay, so now we have a directory called test and a text file called test.txt. So let's move test.txt into test, the folder. Okay, so hopefully it's in test there. Let's check. We'll go into test, we'll navigate ourselves into test, and we'll see what's here. Test.txt. Okay, awesome. Okay, let me show you another way of doing that. So we'll go cd to go back. We're gonna make another file, so touch. We're calling this one test2.txt, and we're gonna make another directory called, no, we're just gonna use the same old directory, but this time instead of going move, we're gonna go copy cp test2.txt, and we're gonna move that into test.txt, or just test, the folder. Okay, we're gonna check. We still have test2.txt in here. Let's navigate over to test, the folder. Okay, now we have both. So what that does is instead of moving it, it copies it. It leaves a version in the present working directory, and then it pushes a version to the whatever folder you list as the second command. Another thing you can do is create links. So I could go ln test2.txt, and the link I could create, we'll call test3.txt. So a link is similar to a copy, but rather than having a save state, it continually updates with the original program. So if we make changes to test2, because test3 is linked to it, it will get the changes as well. I'll show you how to delete files. So let's delete that test2.txt. We'll go rm test2.txt. It's gone. Okay, I also want to get rid of that test directory. So let's rm-r test. So that's how you have to remove directories. Be careful with that one though, because you might accidentally delete something that you don't want to. We can go clear, or we can go reset, which is a more intensive clear. We can go who am I. It tells us who we are. We can go ls-s, and that lists by size. There's all kinds of little subcommands within commands. So I'll include links in the description so you don't miss anything. This is just kind of an overview. Make sure to actually study the command line arguments and become familiar with them.
So those are all the command line basics we're going to cover in today's video. Take care.